are crucial to be able to determine the emotional problem of a person, to be able to connect with other people, to be able to find what their emotional problem is. And I'm gonna share a quick story and then see how good your listening skills are. So Quinn's mom had 3 kids, right? And she named each of her kids based on a quarter, dime, and nickel. So one of the kids was Diana for the dime and Nikki for the nickel. What was the son's name with the quarter? You want me to repeat it? Quinn's mom had 3 kids. But do you see? And that's a good job. But you see how I said it at the beginning, and you guys are like, huh? It's listening skills. Sales is 95% listening skills, and the rest is refinements of how you approach it. Because everything we say is very crucial. The reason that most people struggle with relationships, friends, family is because they don't have listening skills. We have been taught to react. We have been taught to be, well, I can't wait till he's finished so I can say what I have to say because it's on the tip of our tongue. That's not listening skills, that's reacting skills. It's not even a skill. It's bad because you wanna say your opinion. We wanna be heard, and that's fine, but in sales, it hurts us. We can't react. We have to learn how to listen.